Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2020 Benelli Leoncino. It's 500cc, this one. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Benelli. It is HPI clear. It's only one form of keeper. It does come with a spare key in the pack. It is very low mileage, this one. It does have a full service history as well. So start at the front, work all the way around the bike. As you can see, it's got the smoked Puig screen on it. It's got the LED lights on it as well. Headlights LED. And the rest of the lights, the indicators and everything as well, they're all LEDs on it. It does have ABS on. Let's get a look at this front wheel on this side. It's got the radiator cover as well. It's in a nice gloss black, this one. Nice and clean. Good looking at the engine there. Really nice smooth bike to ride this as well. Got the tubular steel frame on it. And swing arm as well. Got the paddock stand bobbins on there as well. Let's get a look over the side of the plastics on this side. It's also got the racks on there ready for panniers. Let's get a look over the top of the seat and the top of the tank. Let's get a look at it from the back. We'll move around to the right hand side. Do the same again. Looking at that back wheel. It is a 500cc engine, 47 horsepower on this. You can see the adjuster there for the rear shock. Let's get a good look along the side on this right hand side. Get a look all over the tank as well. I'll just spin the bars over so you can see all of it. We'll finish up at the front wheel on this right hand side. Got the lion on the front there. So let's go and take a look up at the dash and controls and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's take a look at the controls. You got your front brake, which is quick, easy adjust reach on it. It's got kill switch, starter. You've got your hazard lights, your starter on the bottom there. You move across to the other side. It's got the clutch, again easy adjust on it. You've got your lights, indicators and horn. It's also got the Oxford heated grips on, so there's 5 different temperature settings on there. Let's put the ignition on. Let's have a look at the mileage on it. And it's done 1,233 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in a close-up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you.
Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.somanybikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.